Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my eyes. I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 to prime my eyes, and I'm gonna use my One Side Setting Powder to set it. Also, I'm trying to grow my channel, y'all, so if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Now I'm using Juvia's Place, the Magic Minis eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take the mixture of those two shades and put that in my crease. Next, I'm going to take that shade and put that on my lids. Now I'm using my Maven Beauty liquid eyeliner, and after applying my eyeliner I decided to use some rhinestones to put them in my crease area and also on the ends of my wing liner. For my lashes, I'm going to use my Ioni Crisscross Dramatic Lashes, and I'm going to use my House of Lashes eyelash glue. Moving on to the face, I already moisturized. Now I'm going to use my Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Now I'm going to use my Sephora Beauty Amplifier Pore Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Next, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 425. For some more coverage, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. And I'm going to put this all the places where I put the orange corrector. To highlight, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. And I'm just going to put this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. Now I'm using Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm going to use the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline, and the other shade to bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm going to use a mixture of my One Side setting powder and my ABA setting powder in Deep Peach to set where I had the concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. Now I'm going to use my Beauty Bay blush in Coral. Next I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette, and I'm just going to use that shade for my highlight. Now I'm going to use a Jaclyn Cosmetics Rouge Romance Lip Cushion in Promised, and I'm going to use my NYX Lip Liner and Club Hopper. To set my face, I'm going to use my Cover FX setting spray. And that is it for this makeup tutorial for this New Year's Eve makeup look. I hope that you all enjoyed it, and I enjoyed creating this look. I love to do rhinestones time to time, though it takes a lot of time is very time consuming, but I love it. Like I said, I hope you all enjoyed this look. This is the last makeup tutorial for 2023. So I'm looking forward to doing a lot of great new content for you all next year. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. Comment, like, share. I love to hear from all of you. Everything I use will be listed in the description box. And I will see you all on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourself. I'll see you all next year. Thank you for watching, y'all. And thank you for all your support. Bye.